Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the Bigger TF OHLC indicator for MT4. This multi-time frame tool projects the open, high, low and close levels from a higher time frame directly onto your current chart so you can see key higher time frame structure without switching windows. In this video, you will see how these OHLC levels are drawn, how they update as new higher time frame candles form, and what they imply for support, resistance, and bias. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL inputs, and there we have it. On the chart, the Bigger TF OHLC indicator plots horizontal lines that mark the open, high, low, and close of your chosen higher time frame, such as daily levels on an intraday chart. As price approaches or interacts with these lines, you can see in real time how current movements relates to prior day, week, or session structure, turning those OHLC points into practical support and resistance references. Reactions around these levels, whether rejections, consolidations, or clean breakouts, visually imply where the market is respecting or challenging higher time frame context, which many traders use to frame intraday buyers and trade locations. As for the settings, let's take a look at the inputs. The main settings let you choose which higher time frames OHLC data to project. For example, daily, H4, or weekly levels on a 15 minutes or 1 hour chart. Visual options control colors and line styles for each of the 4 levels, so you can quickly distinguish open, high, low, and close without clutter. As for who this indicator is for, the Bigger TF OHLC indicator is ideal for traders who rely on higher time frame context, scalpers, day traders, and swing traders who want to align entries with major levels while working from a lower time frame chart. It is a structural mapping tool only, does not execute trades, and OHLC levels on their own do not guarantee reversals or breakouts, so they should be combined with price action, confluence, and solid risk management. You can download the Bigger TF OHLC indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. It offers a simple but powerful way to keep higher time frame open, high, low, and close levels in view while you trade intraday moves. If you found this useful, please like the video, leave a comment with how you use higher time frame levels, and subscribe to the Forex Geek with notifications on. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.